So it's time for us to rise up. We know these people. They're in houses, they're in the forest. Give us information. SSG and the security consultant, they have to provide a secured number where we advertise for people to give information. You can block your number and give information there. And every information we lead to arrest of any killer, we have a reward, cash reward and secret reward of not less than 2 million. Nobody is going to reveal your identity. Just tell us where these killers are that have refused to accept this amnesty. I'm told the other day, lawyers who went to case in the laws that are coming back to Umahi were murdered. What was their offense? Nothing. Security people imported from outside to help us were murdered. Their offense, nothing. We can't continue with this. People have been asking us to intervene on the case of our brother Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, the governor has been intervening, but we don't have the powers to release it. But the IPOB people should make the case easy for us. When IPOB started, they started with agitation. Can we know those agitations? Apart from agitating for Biafra, we will not lose our wealth scattered all over the country. Let us know the agitation for marginalization. If you trust Ohanese, allow them. We will make way for them to go to the center and renegotiate. If you trust the governors, National Assembly, or can, we draw this challenge. But we can't do that in the midst of confusion. IPOB says we are not the one in charge of killing. The affairs will be hijacked and they need to redeem themselves. We put it forward for them to disband together with ESN. Allow the governors to take the challenges of the security of our states. We are ready to empower you. We are ready to take your grievances to the center. You can't shave our heads in absence. If you're really fighting for us, must it be through hate speeches and killings? The answer is no. A time has come that we want to constructively engage the federal government.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.